Hi.
Welcome back to another video.
So what is today's video, honey?
So it's a pinning ceremony, guys.
Yes.
You guys know I'm graduating from nursing school. So
Beautiful. Congratulations.
thank you. It's just showing nursing profession, guys. எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க. வீடியோ பார்க்கறதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. இன்னைக்கு வந்து எனக்கு வந்து பின்னிங் செரமோனி கிராஜுவேஷனுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து பின்னிங் செரமோனின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அது வந்து பின்னு வந்து என்னோட ஃபேமிலி, என்னோட ஒய்ஃபும் என்னோட குழந்தையும் குத்துவாங்க. ஸோ அதை தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. பாருங்கள், பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள். These are our friends.
Congratulations, guys.
How are you? This is my wife, actually.
Oh my God.
All the hard work you gave, you put in her mom. And you're next.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Are you excited?
I am. I'm so scared and excited.
Don't be scared. You're gonna be great. Nice to meet you.
So guys, stay tuned for the video. So a lot of stuff is coming up, and you guys can see in the background there's a lot of people around here. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Hey, today is my 2 more days. Today is my day, and another day is coming. I have to celebrate my day. You have to look good. You have to look clean. You know what I'm talking about.
Mommy,
Hi.
where's Appa?
Appa is all the way to the student area, so we're waiting for him to walk on the stage and we can pin him. A lot of students are getting ready. Everybody is getting ready. So excited. Look at this. Thank you. We're gonna pin Appa. Look at Appa is coming. You chill out, baby.
Let me go and in the bed.
This Ram is funny, babe.
This is the pin I got. It says what? You guys can see here. I mean, I'm so happy.
I felt like I wanted to cry when Kyle was pinning. That was so emotional.
It was emotional. Everybody liked it. You know, it was so fun, guys. It was so fun. Everybody liked it. We are happy.
Congratulations. I'm super
I like my
happy.
hair. You guys can see a lot of our students have a kids, husband, wife.
It's never too late.
It's not too late. Look at these guys.
Hello. Congratulations.
I'm graduating from nursing school. Look at everybody. We all taking a pictures. I'm here with my mom.
I'm not trying to be in the back.
Okay, she's here. I'm just hiding her face. I can see. Vanessa's in the back too.
Two pictures.
Huh? Okay. Right. Look at Garza. Garza, my man is here. Everybody's here. We are just. What are we doing, bro? What's going on today?
I'm graduating.
We are graduating, guys. Yeah. We are excited. All the hard work paying off.
Oh yeah. with all the rights, privileges, responsibilities, and obligations pertaining thereto. And I offer my sincerest congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, you remain seated for our recessional. Faculty, graduates, platform party, please rise.
Yeah, yeah, on me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body.
Did you say a big hug? Congratulations, honey. Hey. Wow, congratulations.
Hey guys, I made it. Thank you everyone for watching this video, guys. I graduated from BSN, guys. I'm so happy.
The things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know.
Hello. Look at this. Venky's here. YouTuber தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தாலே தெரியும் என்னோட பல வீடியோல இருப்பாரு நம்ம அண்ணாத்த ஸோ இவரோட வீடியோ எல்லாமே ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க இவரோட சேனலுக்கு
No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere
Hi,
that
Mama
I be, yo.
Lecky.
All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels so right, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing.
Congratulations.
Hey, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. Fashionably late. Wind up on the place, now all of the guys want you. Shut it down. Knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making.
You guys gonna Hold on it. Hapa mimi nasema thank you so much Mama Natalina, Mama Lecky, pia kusupport kabisa. So I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who been here and supporting us. Thank you to you. And yeah, stay tuned for more, guys. Hey guys, just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting Ram to come to the graduation, guys.
Always.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to Papa, babies.
Good job.
Congratulations, Daddy. Congratulations, Daddy.
Congratulations, Daddy. Hey guys, so this is Ram's classmate. His name is Ruben. Hey Ruben, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Appreciate it.
And we love to see this. This is really great motivations, you know, not only for the family, for other people out there. You know, nursing is really hard journey to go through, but you know, everybody can do it. Just focus, right? We love to see you guys moving forward and graduate. Good job and congratulations again. Yeah. Kyle, do you know who is that? Wow. Okay.
Guys, we are here after graduation party. நம்ம ஆறுமுகம் வந்திருக்காரு. நம்ம வெங்கிஸ் யூடியூப் தெரியும், நல்லா பயங்கர பிஸியாக இருக்காரு. ஃபுல்லாக வளைச்சி நம்மளை ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்தார். ஸோ he took a lot of pictures and look, my family is here. Hey, yeah, we are just chilling like a villain. We are ready to go to the restaurant, guys. We're gonna go to Indian restaurant. We're gonna get some food. We have a biryani. You guys ready for biryani? Yeah. Kyle wants pizza, guys. Kyle, we have a biryani. ஓகே, ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ பிடிச்சிட்டு வந்து திருப்பி உங்கள்கிட்ட பேசுகிறோம். நம்ம மதுரை மெஸ்ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு கடைக்கு வந்திருக்கோம். This is an Indian restaurant, guys. Madurai Mess. We are entering here. Hello.
Right guys, so everybody's here, all the family are here. We're still waiting for other people to come in, but yeah, I'm so grateful to have my family and come and support us. Let's see what we're gonna have today. Everybody love Indian food, and we can't wait to have what.
This is a good food, right?
It is a good food. I love it.
Hey, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. Fashionably late. Wind up on the place, now all of the guys want you. She shut it down and knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love.
So இது வந்து egg drop soup. Egg drop soup.
Egg drop.
ஆனா எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? எல்லாம் வந்து சாப்பிட வந்து. So I just want to thank everyone and supporting me. It's mean a lot, you know. It's mean a lot. We have thousands of work. People there in America, we have a lot of work. And still, you guys came and support me, spend your time. You know, time costs money. So, you know, so spending time and to be here, that shows, you know, your heart, and it makes me my heart happy. So, thank you again.
Thank you.
Short and sweet.
You are welcome. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we enjoyed our food right here. We got samosa, and we also had chicken 65 and cauliflower, and they also brought other food. It's just because we didn't get a chance to record everything, but this was really great idea for Appa to bring us here. Yeah,
Thank you so much, guys. Each and everybody who came to support my graduation party and ceremony, I really appreciate it. And thank you again. The food wise, everybody loved it. We had goat biryani, chicken tikka masala, chicken korma, bread alwa. Kids also loved it. It's not too spicy. They had a chicken 65. Also, they said Madras chili chicken and gobi Manchurian. It was amazing food. Thank you for watching this video, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.